Very good morning everyone. Myself Shiraz Grover, your mathematics tutor. बच्चे, I will teach you exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 of our NCERT book. Chapter 4 name is linear equation in two variables. Okay, let's start with the first question. We are to draw the graph of linear equations in two variables. First one is x plus y equals to 4. For this, we will find some of the points that satisfy this equation. Okay, so let us find these points. We will assume the value of x equals to 0. When x is equals to 0, put this value in this equation. 0 plus y will be 4, so value of y will be 4 and our point will be 0, 4. Okay bachche, now assume another value of x. When x equals to 1, put x equals to 1 in this equation. 1 plus y equals to 4, take 1 this on the right hand side, y will be 3. So the point will be 1, 3. Now assume another value when x equals to 2. Okay, 2 plus y equals to 4. Take 2 on the right hand side, you will get the value of y will be 2 and our point will be 2, 2. Mark these points A, B and C. Now draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Okay, and this is origin 0, 0. This is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Okay. Now bache, our first point is A, 0, 4. So this point is 0, 4. Our second point is B, 1, 3. On x-axis it is 1 and on y-axis it is 3. So the point will lie here 1, 3. Okay, and the next point is 2, 2. 2, 2 would lie here C point 2, 2. What we will do? We will join all these points. The point of joining will give us a straight line, and that straight line is the particular equation of first answer. That is, this equation will be x plus y equals to 4. Is this clear bache? It was a good question. It was an easy one also. Okay, let us do second question. See, we are to draw the graph of equation x minus y equals to 2. Okay, for this what we need to do? We need to assume the values of x and corresponding to that we will get the values of y. Whenever we are assuming x equal to 0, so 0 minus y will be 2, minus y will be 2 and the value of y will be minus 2. So the point will be 0, minus 2. When x is 1, 1 minus y equals to 2, take this 1 to the right hand side, minus y equals to 2 minus 1, minus y equals to 1, the value of y is minus 1. So the point will be 1, minus 1. Okay, next one is x equal to 2, 2 minus y equals to 2. Take 2 to the right hand side, it will become 2 minus 2, minus y will be equals to 0, so value of y will be 0 and our point will be 2, 0. Okay, now let us plot these points on the graph. Our first point is 0, minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 will lie here, a 0 comma minus 2. Second point is 1 comma minus 1. X is positive, y is negative. 1 comma minus 1. And the third point is 2 comma 0. C point is 2 comma 0. Now what we will do? We will join these, and this will be equation x minus y equals to 2. Okay bachche, it was the second part. Okay, our equation was x minus y equals to 2. Now let us do our third part. We are given y equals to 3x. Okay, so when the value of x will be assumed 0, so 3 multiply 0 will be 0, then we will get value of y equals to 0. So point will be 0 comma 0. When x is assumed as 1, we will get value of y equals to 1 multiply 3, it's 3. So point will be 1 comma 3. When value of x is assumed as 2, we will get y equals to 3 multiply 2, 6. So the point will be 2 comma 6. Okay, now let us plot these points on the graph. Okay, our first point is origin 0 comma 0. Second point is x 1 and y 3. X 1 and y is 3. Okay, and third point is x2 y4. This point is 2 comma y6 it is. Okay, its one is origin. Now what we will do? We will join these points. After joining these points, we will get the equation of y equals to 3x. Is this clear bache? Fourth part you will do yourself. Okay, now let us do answer second. Give two equations of the line passing through 2 comma 14. It is given us a point 2 comma 14, and we are to find equation of two lines from which this point satisfies. Okay, it means that whenever we will put the value of x equal to 2, we will get the value of y equals to 14. Okay, so it can be y equals to 7x. Whenever you will put x equal to 2, you will get 7 2s are 14, that is the value of y. So 2 comma 14 will satisfy this equation. It means that this line passes through this point. Okay, furthermore you can also draw y equals to 6x plus 2. Whenever you will put x equal to 2 here, 6 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, so value of y will be 14. Similarly, you can make 5x plus 4 equals to 4x plus 6, 3x plus 8, 2x plus 10, and further so many are examples of this equation. Okay, likewise we have supposed x equals to 2. When you will put 2 here, you are to put 12 here. Okay, so I have written a few examples, okay, 6 or 7, and there may be infinite number of lines which can pass through this point. Pictorially we can also represent it's 2 comma 14. Any point on the graph, you can pass a line from this line, also this one, also you can pass this. So there would be infinite number of lines passing through this point. Okay, they have asked 2, your answer is this. You can also write this one, and how many more lines are passing through? You will say infinite. You will say infinite. Okay bache. Now answer 3. It is given that the point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation y equals to ax plus 7. Now 3 comma 4 is passing through this equation. It means that 3 comma 4 is satisfying this equation. Means that when we will put x equal to 3, we will get y equals to 4, and this whole equation will be satisfied. Okay, from this we can find the value of a. Okay, see, when we will put x equals to 3 and y equals to 4, we will get 12 equals to 3a plus 7. It will become 5 equals to 3a, and the value of a will be 5 by 3. Okay, it was a very good question. Okay bacha. Now let us see question number 4th. It's very important question from examination point of view. Okay, see, we are told us a taxi fare in a city is as follow. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. It means that whenever you are traveling 1 kilometer, you are to pay rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it's rupees 5 per kilometer. Means that after kilometer traveling, whenever you will travel further more kilometers, you are to pay rupees 5 in addition. For example, if you are traveling for 2 kilometers, you will pay rupees 8 for the first kilometer and rupees 5 for the next kilometer. Okay, when you are traveling for 3 kilometers, you are to pay rupees 8 for first, rupees 5 for second, and again rupees 5 for the third kilometer. Okay, whenever you are traveling 4 kilometers, you are to pay rupees 8 for the first and rupees 5 for the second, this rupees 5 for the third, and this rupees 5 for the fourth. Okay, and further many more. Okay bache. Now it is given us that we are to take distance equals to x. We are to take distance equals to x and total fare, that is rupees, equals to y. Okay, equals to y. We are to write a linear equation for this, and then further we are to draw the graph of this. Okay bache. So see, this 8 can be represented as 5 multiply 1 plus 3. This 13 can be represented as 5 multiply 2 plus 3. This 18 can be represented as 5 multiply 3 plus 3. This 23 can be represented as 5 multiply 4 plus 3. Okay bache. Now take these 1, 2, 3, 4 as our kilometers. Take these as our kilometers, and this is our rupees, that is value. So we are assumed that y equals to our rupees and this much x as our kilometers. Okay, so the general equation for this will be y equals to 5x plus 3. Y equals to 5x plus 3. Whenever you will put x equals to 1, this will be 5 multiply 1 plus 3, 8. The value of y will be 8. It means that when you are traveling 1 kilometer, you are to pay rupees 8. Whenever you are traveling 2 kilometers, 5 multiply 2 plus 3, you are to pay 13 rupees. Okay, whenever you are traveling 3 kilometers, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, you are to pay rupees 18. Okay, so this is a perfect linear equation in two variables for the representation of this taxi fare. Now what we are to do? We are to locate this on the graph. Whenever you will put x equals to 1, 1 into 5, 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. The value of y will be 8. Whenever you are to put x equals to 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. The value of y will be 13. Whenever you will put x equals to 0, 5 multiply 0, the value of y will be 3. Now plot these 3 points on the graph, you will get the graph of this taxi fare. Okay, take this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3. X-axis, this is y-axis. Our first point is 0, 3. When x is 0, the value of y is 3. Next point is when x is 1, the value of y is 8. Next point is when x is 2, value of y is 13. Okay, so joining these 3 points, we will get a line that is representing y equals to 5x plus 3. Okay, that is representing y equals to 5x plus 3. Is this clear, bache? Okay, let's start answer 5th. Okay, from the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph are given below. We are given the choices. These are choices. Okay, and we are to choose the equation whose graph is this. Okay, means that all these 3 points would satisfy the equation. So let us try with the first part, y equals to x. Our first point is minus 1, 1. See, whenever I will put the value of x equals to minus 1, it would give y equals to plus 1. See, is this satisfying? Whenever I are to put the value of x equals to minus 1, the value of y would be plus 1, but here it is minus 1. Here it is minus 1. Means that it is not satisfying this point. It is not satisfying minus 1 comma plus 1. So this point does not satisfy this equation. This choice does not fit to this equation. Take second, x plus y equals to 0. Okay, now take LHS and RHS. Our right hand side is 0. First point is minus 1 comma 1. Put x equals to minus 1, put y equals to plus 1, and it is given that we are to add these points. We are to add these. Minus 1 plus 1 results as 0. 0 equals to RHS. Okay, so this one is satisfying. Next point is 0 comma 0. This one. So x plus y equals to 0. Put x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and then add 0 plus 0 is 0. This is also satisfying. Our third point is 1 comma minus 1. So put x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 is 0, and 0 equals to RHS. So this is also satisfying this equation. Means that these all 3 points are satisfying our choice number second. Okay, so it will be true for this second option. Hopefully it's clear to you. Thank you everyone.